A stampede claimed 3 lives during the Rath Yatra in Puri. The annual congregation draws lakhs of devotees and the administration draws up plans for emergencies and crowd management with officials monitoring the situation 24/7. Despite the measures, the deaths happened as devotees accused police officials of being absent.
ମୋ ୱାଇଫ୍ ମୋ ନିଜ ୱାଇଫ୍ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱାମୀ କହୁଛି ପୋଲିସ ବାଲା ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ କିଛି ନଥିଲା ପ୍ରଶାସନର ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ କିଛି ନଥିଲା ଆମ୍ବୁଲାନ୍ସ ବି ନଥିଲା ଓ ଘଣ୍ଟେ କାଳ ଡାକିଲୁ ପୋଲିସ ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ପଳେଇଲା ଆମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କଲେନି କୋଅପରେସନ୍ କଲେନି ଶବଟାକୁ ଟେକିକି ଆଣିଲେନି କିଛି ଯଦି ଆମ୍ବୁଲାନ୍ସ ଥାନ୍ତା ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଟି ବଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା କୌଣସି ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ ନଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା।
जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं भक्तों का जमावड़ा है, भारी संख्या में भक्त सभी डायरेक्शन से जो है पूरी पहुंच रहे हैं और जो हम देख रहे हैं जो रथ यात्रा के दिन भी देखा गया था कि जो फ्लो है पिलग्रिम्स का वो विगत वर्ष की अपेक्षा बहुत अधिक है और आज भी सुबह जो घटना घटी है उसके अंदर अभी तक जो खबर हमारे पास है 3 भक्तों ने जो है प्राण हटाए हैं। बिल्कुल जांच करी जाएगी और उसमें जो गलती नजर आएगी या जो भी करेक्टिव मेजर्स का ध्यान आएगा वो बिल्कुल करा जाएगा।
The Odisha government reacted to the incident by transferring the district magistrate and the superintendent of police. Chanchal Rana has been appointed as the new district collector, while Pinak Mishra has taken charge as the new SP. 2 police officers, DCP Vishnupati and Commandant Ajay Padi, have been suspended for negligence of duty. Odisha CM Mohan Charan Manji announced a financial assistance of 25 lakh for the next of kin of each deceased devotee. The opposition BJD hit out at the Odisha government for its failure to manage crowds properly. Former Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on Sunday hit out at the state government over the stampede during the Jagannath Rath Yatra in Puri.
Government has no sympathy or empathy for the devotees and they don't know how to administer. They don't know how to conduct the Rath Yatra and this is their fault. And this kind of faults never be tolerated by the people of Odisha.
You demand law minister and the CM resignation?
Yes, we demand the resignation of the entire government, top to bottom.
मेरे को अभी सुबह इस प्रकार की दुखद घटना की जानकारी हुई। मैं वहां के आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से बात किया है, अन्य अधिकारियों से, अन्य मित्रों से भी बात किया है। वहां की सरकार और विशेष करके अभी मैं देख रहा था मुख्यमंत्री जी का एक संवाद ट्वीट के माध्यम से आई है, एक्स की पोस्ट उन्होंने किया है, उन्होंने उसकी जिम्मेवारी लिया है और उचित कार्रवाई उठाएंगे, ये आश्वस्त भी किया है। मेरा पूरा भरोसा है पूरी में स्थिति को सुधारने का कोशिश किया जाएगा।
The Jagannath Rath Yatra that started on Friday is supposed to end on Saturday, however will now end on Sunday late evening. Even though as all the 3 deities will be moving into Gundicha temple late Sunday evening, the crowds in lakhs of numbers kept swelling due to a long weekend. The administration claims to have deployed more than 10,000 security personnel. However, a stampede leaving several dead and many injured is raising questions on the preparations and the arrangements. This does not deter the lakhs of devotees to catch a glimpse of their favorite Lord and throng in numbers of millions like every year. With camera person Mahesh Halwai, this is Manogya Loiwal in Puri for NDTV.